Records.
Essa homenagem está sendo feita pelo grupo especial Elite Piauiense, é isso? Para o nosso grande amigo GG, companheiro de todas as horas. Tantas alegrias e emoções vivemos juntos. Um dia, a maioria de nós irá se separar. Sentiremos saudades de todas as conversas jogadas fora, as descobertas que fizemos, dos sonhos que tivemos, dos tantos risos e momentos que compartilhamos. Com certeza vamos ficar tranquilos, porque você, eterno GG, simplesmente está em um ótimo lugar, nos observando. As lembranças que temos secaram nossas lágrimas e nos fazem sorrir. Te amamos, eterno GG. Essa é uma homenagem especial dos seus amigos.
That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Young bull living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the needle. Every time I was in LA, I was with my ex-girlfriend. Every time you called, I told you, baby, I'm working. I was out doing my dirt, wasn't thinking about you getting hurt. Hand in hand in a Beverly Center, like, man, not giving a damn who sees me. So gone, so wrong, acting like I didn't have you sitting at home. Thinking about me, being the good girl that you are, but you probably believe you have a good man. One that never would do the things I'm about to tell you I've done. Brace yourself, it ain't good. These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I could say, my chick on the side says she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm grown and I don't know what to do. Guess I gotta give part 2 of my confession. If I gotta tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn near cried when I got that phone call. I'm so gone, I don't know what to do but to get part 2 of my confession. You don't want no problem with me. If one more label try to stop me, there's gonna be some dreadhead hitters in the lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day, had to pick up all the mail. Will and Alex riding through the streets, they be like, there he go. Okay, it's okay. Girl, your body so sweet like a yo play. But you say I gotta wait, cause I know you ain't the type of girl hitting third base on the first date. This is different though. Love so quick, call it Usain Bolt. And I really hated to see you go, so hit me up when you get back home. I got what you need. Smooth like WD, you wicked.